Okay, replacing side marker with marker from Kilochrome. So it came with separate resistors plugged in, and then this just plugs into where the bulb is. Now the fun part, removing that. So I was able to do it. See if I can do it again. Try gently. Recording and just edit video, so it doesn't relock the door. And I think I'm doing that, so I'm pushing that spring. If I can get past this clip, then I can pop it out. There we go, just like that. Now, it's not very long and it doesn't come all the way out, so from here, turn, remove old, take out light bulb, and then connector plugs in. Peel plastic. Open car, start car. And it works. So, tuck everything back in. And then tuck the back end in. And then snap. That's it. Lock and unlock. There we go.